Hello everyone, what's up? So it's been a while, but I'm back, and this is Redmi Note 5 Pro, and this is actually the pre-order unit. Like, I pre-ordered it and it took like more than 3 weeks for it to get delivered, so it takes a bit of time, but you will get it because it was really tough to buy. They have actually given the facility to pre-order it. And yeah, as you can see, India's #1 smartphone brand this is. So yeah guys, I won't be going through the specs and all. I think most of you guys know about the specs and all. No overview, just a simple little unboxing. And this is, by the way, the rose gold color, the 4GB variant. And yeah, let's go ahead and quickly open this up. And one thing more guys, this phone does not support NFC, and no matter which charger you use, Qualcomm 2.0 or any other fast charger, it still takes 1 hour 50 minutes, so approximately 2 hours. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do it, and also hit that notification bell as well, so you are notified whenever I upload a video. Okay, so 2 seal at the top and at the bottom as well. And if you still want to buy this phone, I will request you to wait for Mi 8 2 to launch and then make your final call. And here comes the box, and the envelope at the top looks a lot like Apple, but this I guess has the silicone case. In Apple you get the stickers. Yes, it is the case. Okay, so let's quickly take this out and then we'll move to the phone itself. And yes, it looks like any other silicone case, nothing special going on here. Let's keep this to the side as well. Okay, so let's quickly take out the phone itself. And as I said, this is the rose gold variant, and if you still want to buy the Redmi Note 5 Pro, you can buy the lake blue or the rose gold. Okay, so yeah, and this one has almost 6-inch display. And I won't be going through the specs, as I said, so let's quickly see what else you get with this box. And as I said, this comes with a silicone, and you can even use the silicone case cover, which fits really nicely. Here you go. And yes, you get this user guide and the warranty card with it, and also I guess the charger and the cable down there as well. Yes, here is the charger, which is I guess 5V 2A, and yes, 5V 2A. And this phone does not support USB Type-C, so the cable is, yes, it is normal, and SIM ejector down there. So yeah, let's keep all these things to the side and let's quickly look at the phone itself. Here we go. So first of all, I'm gonna be skipping this setup process, which gonna take some time. So yeah, I'll see you once it's done. So guys, we are almost done with the setup process, and yes, it is almost complete, and we are in the home screen. So let me first of all quickly increase the brightness so you guys can see it. And as you can see, let's quickly open the camera and take a quick little pic with this camera. So I can't show you the face unlock feature guys, because it's not kind of out of the box feature. Yes, they have already rolled out an update, but I have to do it, so that then only I can show you guys. So yes, here's the pic. I know you have already seen a lot of camera comparison video of this phone. So yeah, let's quickly jump to settings and let's see the storage, how much is left there. And storage, okay, so yes, storage, and as you guys can see, 52.49 GB is left. And let's quickly go to about phone, and here we go. And this is running sadly Nougat, but the OTA update is almost there, and you will get Oreo pretty soon. And I think some of the users have already got it. So yeah guys, that was a quick little unboxing video of this Redmi Note 5 Pro. I will be doing a lot of comparison when I get the Oreo update with this phone. And as I said, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I will be making a lot of videos, and sorry it was late this time, in fact very late, but I have to buy this phone. I couldn't skip this one. I will be needing this in future. So yeah guys, a quick little unboxing, and as always, like, subscribe, share, and peace out.